Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, heatsink, battery, wireless WAN module, solid-state drive, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless WAN antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the power button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Carefully peel back the main wireless WAN antenna foil. Remove the grounding tape that secures the main wireless WAN antenna cable from the aux wireless WAN antenna cable. Remove the 2.3mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the right speaker to the display enclosure. Carefully lift the right speaker off of the display enclosure and remove. Important: the power button board must be removed from the old right speaker and placed onto the new right speaker prior to installation. Important: the wireless antennas cannot be reused once removed from the right speaker. New wireless antennas must be applied to the right speaker prior to installation. Reverse this procedure to install the right speaker.